Cybersecurity trainings and certifications are getting really expensive, and it's getting hard for beginners to start learning cybersecurity for free in 2026. And in this video, I'm going to share with you guys some free resources and tools that I would use if I was a complete beginner to start getting ahead in 2026. If you find this video valuable and helpful, go ahead and drop me a like as it helps on my channel a lot. And go ahead and subscribe if you're new so you don't miss out on future uploads. With that said, though, number one on the list is going to be an AI learning tool. If you're not using AI to help you boost your cybersecurity learning in 2026, you're definitely missing out. So this AI tool is called NotebookLM, and it's developed by Google, and it really takes your learning to a different level. And the reason why I'm recommending this tool is because a lot of times beginners feel overwhelmed when they first start learning cybersecurity. There's so many different resources, there's so many different videos, readings, things of that sort to start learning from day one. And this tool pretty much consolidates all these resources into one place for you. So NotebookLM is basically an AI-powered notebook where you upload all of your learning material when it comes to your PDFs, documents, your study guides, your notes, even certification objectives like Security Plus or Network Plus objectives. You can upload all into NotebookLM. And once you've uploaded all of these resources, you can start asking NotebookLM different questions when it comes to anything regarding the things that you uploaded. So it's a quick and easy way to start getting the exact answers you want and start learning right away. On top of that, NotebookLM also offers several cool features that also will help you so much when it comes to your learning journey. For example, it can generate you flashcards, it can build out quizzes, it can even make you a podcast you can listen to throughout your entire day so you're always learning. So overall, NotebookLM is going to be the all-in-one place for you to develop your learning materials and start learning right away. So I'll go ahead and link all the resources that I mentioned in this video down in the description box below. So make sure you guys go ahead and check that out. So if you're trying to learn cybersecurity with zero experience in 2026, there's one resource that I always recommend to beginners, and that's going to be TryHackMe. TryHackMe is one of the most popular beginner-friendly platforms to start getting some hands-on experience when it comes to cybersecurity. The platform is meant for people who want to start getting their hands dirty and get some hands-on experience rather than just watching videos and reading all day. They have a bunch of different learning paths and rooms that cover different specialties in cybersecurity and also vary in difficulty. They have a free tier that gives you access to beginner-friendly rooms. And one of the best parts about TryHackMe is you can get some hands-on experience with no setup involved. You don't need to download any additional software. There's no confusing setup. All you need to do is click start. It'll spin up your machine and you can start getting some hands-on experience from day one. And even when you get stuck, they have a large community and also an AI tutor to help you along the way. And this is why TryHackMe stands out, because they help anyone, regardless of where you're at in your cybersecurity learning journey, start to get some hands-on experience, which is really valuable in today's job market. And right now, for a limited time only, you can get 25% off their annual subscription if you use my code TRUNG25, TRUONG25 at checkout. I'll leave all the details in the description box down below, and thank you to TryHackMe for sponsoring today's video. So the second resource on the list is going to be roadmap.sh. Roadmap.sh is a free website that gives you a visual roadmap. It covers different specialties like cybersecurity, cloud security, software engineering. It also covers specific skills like SQL, Python, things of that sort. So roadmap.sh will actually have a visual roadmap on your screen. And if you click on these different boxes and these different skills, it will actually have a link to the exact resource you can use to start learning that specific skill. And usually these are comprised of different YouTube videos and links to different resources and documents to start learning. One of the biggest roadblocks that I see beginners face when they first start learning cybersecurity is being confused on exactly what to learn when it comes to the fundamentals, and roadmap.sh is going to be a perfect place to start and give you some structured path, and it will give you a structured path and some clarity on exactly what to learn and where to exactly learn it. And one of the most valuable things, especially if you're a beginner, is getting some clarity and structure within your learning. And roadmap.sh does exactly that. All right, so moving on to the next one, and that is going to be AWS.training. So this is going to be AWS's or Amazon Web Services all-in-one learning platform to learn really anything involving AWS. They have a bunch of different free learning modules you can choose from that go over different concepts in cloud security and cloud computing. Microsoft also offers a similar version of their own, and I'll link to both of them in the description box below. So within these platforms, you can learn things like cloud basics, security fundamentals when it comes to cloud computing, identity and access management, logging and monitoring, pretty much anything you need to start learning some cloud computing and cloud security. I personally use AWS.training to help me study for my AWS Certified Cloud Practitioner certification, and it really helped me pass. I took multiple online lectures that walked me through the exact objectives for the certification, and these modules and lectures are all created by AWS professionals, so you're getting it straight from the source. So if you want to learn cloud computing and cloud security, make sure you guys go ahead and take advantage of these free cloud computing learning resources. All right, so moving on to the next one on the list, and that is going to be KC7 Cyber. I actually had the opportunity opportunity to meet the founder and creator of KC7 Cyber. And the purpose behind creating KC7 Cyber is to make cybersecurity hands-on learning accessible to everyone. It's a completely free online learning platform to start learning cybersecurity and get some hands-on skills without needing to have any technical or cybersecurity background at all. There's even a story about elementary school kids using KC7 Cyber to start learning cybersecurity. And the best part about KC7 Cyber is the fact that it's also gamified and it makes it fun to learn. So within KC7 Cyber, you're going to be learning cybersecurity through the blue team lens. So you're pretty much acting like a SOC analyst to determine what exactly went wrong when it comes to the scenario that you're presented. And within KC7 Cyber, you could have an opportunity to actually get some hands-on experience with tools that real Microsoft professionals use. You're going to get experience analyzing logs, investigating attacks, and following real scenarios. It'll help you practice and develop your critical thinking, log analysis, understanding attacker behavior, and these are all skills that you can use when it comes to a job interview when they've asked if you have experience using different tools, asking you about different scenarios and what you did, and you can get all this experience for free using KC7 Cyber. So no matter where you are in your learning journey or what kind of experience you have, KC7 Cyber is going to have a room for you. Next on the list is going to be IBM Skills Build. IBM Skills Build is a free learning platform developed by IBM that offers free courses on things like cybersecurity fundamentals, IT basics, cloud computing, and overall professional skills. It's designed for beginners and it's really structured, simple, and clear. So if you're someone with a non-technical background or zero experience when it comes to cybersecurity or IT, this is going to be the perfect place to start. And last but not least, we have the ISC2 Certified in Cybersecurity Trainee. ISC2 is a really well-recognized cybersecurity organization, and they developed the Certified in Cybersecurity Training with beginners in mind. You'll learn security fundamentals, risk basics, networking concepts, and security principles. And you're learning all of these skills from the organization that employers will actually recognize. So this is going to be a great place for you to start building your foundational knowledge when it comes to cybersecurity, and then from there branching out to more advanced level certifications like the Security Plus. So overall, that is going to be the free tools and resources I would use to really enhance my learning when it comes to cybersecurity in 2026 for completely free. Right now, the job market is really tough and competitive, and also certifications and training are getting increasingly more expensive. But I promise you, there's still opportunity for people who are really disciplined and crafty and finding different ways to learn cybersecurity from more affordable methods. Like for example, using AI tools to help you enhance your learning journey as well, and finding different ways to learn the cybersecurity fundamentals while not breaking the bank. So it's definitely still possible to learn cybersecurity without breaking the bank, and these are just a few examples that will help you do that. So with that being said, if you guys enjoyed this video and you found it helpful, go ahead and drop me a like, as it really helps out my channel. And if you're new, consider subscribing so you don't miss out on future uploads like this one. With that said, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.